Hi guys, today we will discuss on the example of priority. The interviewer can be asked by different scenarios like high severity and high priority example, and low priority and low severity by example, and high priority and low severity by example, and low priority and high severity. So in this video I have explained the key concept of while we are prioritize and we will decide the severity of any bug. So I am just explaining first high priority and high severity and high priority. So after filling the login details, the user is not able to click on login button. So that will come under the high severity and high priority. Then low priority and low severity. So the error message displayed is incomplete starting you have registered success, but it can be you have registered successfully. So this will come under the low priority and low severity. Then high priority and low severity. So a spelling mistake in the website name on the main page, although if it is not affecting the functionality and can be marked in low severity, so it will come under the high priority and low severity, but its negative impact on the website reputation, because the spelling mistake in the website name but on the main page, and so it's negatively impact on the website reputation, therefore fixing it is of the highest priority. So it will come under the high priority and low severity. Low severity means it is not affecting the functionality. Then low priority and high severity. So in this case, security vulnerabilities discovered in the feature that is rarely used by the customer, like terms and condition, that is very rare use. So it will come under the low priority and high severity. And many more examples like login design of app is blur and not showing properly. So it will come under the low priority and high severity. Alignment issue, any alignment issue, it will come also the low priority and high severity. And minor formatting issue on less visited page, just like terms and condition, so it will comes under the low priority and high severity.